Okay, so these are the gifts जो आपके बर्थडे के लिए आए हैं. ड्रीम के लिए भी कुछ गिफ्ट्स आए हैं. So let's start. Just give some message.
मेरे बर्थडे में तू भी बर्थडे मना रही है क्या?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं मना सकती क्या?
बिल्कुल मना सकती है. सब ले ले तू.
सब ले लूँ. ये वाली डार्क चॉकलेट
नहीं, मैं नहीं दूंगा किसी को. वो तो तुझे पता है, तू ऑलरेडी ले रही है. आई कुड सी इट एंड से ये तो रीम के पास जाने वाला है. शी विल नॉट लेट मी. हाँ. Alright, should we start?
Yeah.
Let's start.
Okay.
So it's your birthday. You should open the gift.
I'll handle. I'll look.
Okay.
Okay. Who sent it? Where did it come from?
ये यहाँ पे लिखा.
ये तो मेरा नाम है.
हाँ चाहिए.
क्या?
अच्छा नहीं, किसने भेजा है?
नौरशिदा हटू बिनते नजर खान. शिदा खान @Shida Khan. Singapore. It comes from Singapore. Thank you, Shida. I'm gonna open it now. Okay, so somebody has to help me. I've hurt my hand while shooting. You see the swelling? Can't move. आराम से बहुत प्यार से.
इतने प्यार से.
I
am very.
हाँ, I have to perform also with this.
I'm very wild while opening it. I'm like really wild.
Okay, let's do something good. Wow, look at that. मेरी मॉम होती ना, सबसे पहले बोलती कि ये जो थैला है ये ना ये मुझे दे दे.
मुझे दे देना, मैं इसमें कुछ भर
मैं इसमें ज्वेलरी रखूंगी अपनी. That's how mom का आया. अच्छी पैकेजिंग दिखी, फौरन उनके पास जाती है. So I think I'll keep it for her to come back and take it. Okay. Let's see. Private and confidential. Should I open it?
I don't think you should. It's I think off camera. I think.
I'll open it later then.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's.
Good, she has written it there.
I'll read it आराम से. ठीक है, शिदू.
Wallet, I guess.
Oh, it's a beautiful wallet.
Yeah.
Look at this. My kind of wallet.
That's nothing else.
Wow. I like it. I have a thing for sleek wallets and small wallets. In this exact. How did she know?
Your fan. Your fan.
It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. I got any wallet.
This one. Tim, you can also open yours if you
Mine?
want. Side by side.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. So this person
you
has
would-
sent for you, Reem. This take her name, Gayatri.
Oh, I have
Oh,
phone covers.
Gayatri.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gayatri, and I'm quite excited, yeah.
Yeah.
So this comes from.
ऐसे करो. The नाम थोड़ा difficult है.
Bindu. Kalma Vizag.
अच्छा.
Oh, I know this Instagram tag. Kalma Vizag. Thank you so much. I've got phone
Acha,
covers.
हाँ, even we've
Yeah,
seen
yeah.
a lot of.
Oh, nice. This is
Thank you for
beautiful.
sending him phone covers.
I love this
It's
one.
been like what, a year he's not changed his phone cover.
Thank you. I like this also. The colors are nice. Wow.
You can see the difference there. How
Thank you,
gentle
Bindu.
he is, how wild I am.
You can open this.
This one.
Oh, this is so cute.
Who Gayatri has given you?
Oh, there's money also in this.
It's like a
No,
shotgun item.
no. Actually, you know, people
It's a good
say
shotgun,
that
yeah.
whenever you
It's
give
so
someone wallet, तो आप उसमें हमेशा थोड़े पैसे डाल के दे.
जी जी.
Wow,
So,
Gayatri
yeah, it was-
Adurkar.
Thank you.
@Mithum_Mimi.
This is also
और
from
Karma
Gayatri. Thank you.
_Rabta_E_Sehreen. Wow. Okay. To the man I respect, love and adore, Sahban, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope all that you wish for reaches you soon. Seeing you happy and content is all I wish for you and on your birthday. Yeah, my father would be so happy.
Oh,
reading
yeah,
this.
I'm going to sing.
They say we don't meet people by accident. That's true. They are meant to cross our paths for a reason. Absolutely. You came into my life with so much joy. I can't thank you enough. And that too in the time when I felt the most hopeless. Oh, okay. Just looking at you smile give me peace. I'm glad I could change that for you. And hope is all we have to live and to survive and to fight back. Believe me. Okay, that's a beautiful message. Yeah. One day when I meet, I hope I'll be able to tell you what you really mean to me. Till then, keep smiling and spreading the love, Sebu. I won't say I'm the biggest fan, as you have so many of them, and it won't be right on my part to do so, as there are so many of them who love you truly. All I will say is my love is for you, is pure, and shall always be. Thank you so much, Gayatri. This is a beautiful
Thank you,
message.
Gayatri.
I love it, and I
And what is
always
another
love
message?
heartfelt messages, and I think I do the same for the people I care for and I love for, and they mean a lot to me.
Right. Okay. Reem, do you want to read a line or two from the?
It's such a pleasure watching you on screen. So adorable, cute, and funny. You are a gem. I love you first as a person. There are very few souls like you. So down to earth. And acting, we fans laugh along with Kalyani and cry when she cries. That's a big compliment. Thank you. Keep growing. Wishing you all the luck right now. As I'm writing this letter, I am actually falling short of words, but I hope my love reaches to you. I have sent some gifts for you. Hope you like them. Thank you so much, Gayatri. This is really sweet of you.
You've written a beautiful message to both of us.
Yeah, actually.
Thank you, Gayatri.
You can read the message. I don't know this for you or Reem. I can't figure out who love what. I don't know. As you love.
So
what
let
it
him
is.
open.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
will be
definitely.
As you love checks,
I know there's cheeks.
Cheeks or
there's
checks?
Checks. I don't know.
wanted to gift something in it,
Open it and
but you have all of them. So hope you like it. This one is too tight for me. It's too round.
खोलो लास्ट
कौन सा वाइट लेंगे? वाइट चल रहा है. Okay. Wow.
Oh god, this is something like Nutella! I got Nutella! I love Nutella! Thank you,
more
Gayatri!
excited than the money when she got.
Checks, she meant
Okay, it's
checks.
for you then. Yeah.
Blue, my favorite color, of course. And thank you so much.
And this is his color.
Yeah. Thank you.
How do you know that I love Nutella so much? You have no idea how much I love Nutella.
Hey, this is also, I like the whole packaging, the way she's done it.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Wow.
I
Thank
think
you.
she's a really
Is
creative
this
person.
something greeting on?
There is?
एक
I need
बार
to
नहीं
open
ना?
it.
नहीं. Sorry. I thought नहीं.
No, it's a card.
Okay.
But I'm
Okay, I think
gonna
last
keep
week.
this.
I've got Nutella.
Nice.
Okay, now you can open.
Everybody knows I think I like blue.
Didn't you have one more gift if I'm not wrong? Or it's
No,
over.
no,
Over,
no.
na? It's over, na? Oh, good.
Okay, this is from Kinnari Singh.
No, that's my name.
Oh, that's,
That's
you.
my name.
Shubhangi Mohanty,
हाँ.
Odisha. Thank you, Shubhangi. Let me open it and let's see. Oh, that is
Oh, this is so pretty. I think something just broke. Some shells have come.
Shells.
I will stick
Oh, wow.
it later.
That's so true.
So can you just pan on the camera?
The art.
Yeah. They are your dad and mom?
Yeah.
Achha.
Wow. Happy birthday.
It's calendar.
Oh, it's a.
This is a reading wala thing. You have to read this.
To Saivan, cherish every second of this day, enjoy every moment of your smile. Today you get to feel special, so forget life's trouble and have a blast. Happy birthday from Shubhangi. Yeah, I've been trying to forget all my life troubles anyway, but thank you so much.
Everyone is actually.
Yeah. It's a beautiful message, and I'll remember it every time I'm in trouble, that I need to forget my troubles and carry on with a smile.
I'm taking the dark chocolate.
It's for me.
I'll take the dark chocolate. I'll steal it, okay?
Thank you so much.
I don't know how he has the patience to open इतने अच्छे से एक ही चीज.
जितने अच्छे
I am
से
like-
पैक किया उतने अच्छे से खोलना भी चाहिए. Like somebody must have put time, so open it nicely. Respect that, no? It's a lesson.
Because it is written also open with care.
Oh, it says open. does it come from? Where's the name?
I think it's from Gayatri.
Be inside.
ये
Gayatri.
गायत्री यहाँ पे देख लो अंदर नाम लिखा होगा. वो आपको फाड़ना
यहाँ से भी,
पड़ेगा.
यहाँ
I think.
से. अंदर लिखा है.
This is going to make a little mess. Sorry. Open with care.
Mess.
So it's
I
not
will
big.
make a mess. Acha.
अच्छा, because of these.
How sweet. I'm letting it.
Oh, you got a good mug.
Oh, I love this cup.
Oh, it's cute.
Creative. Oh, that's me. Thank you so much. I had recently broken my cup on the set. So you're gonna see me often holding this on the set now.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, there's a spoon also.
Yeah.
How cute.
It's for the coffee.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
like Reem. Chota sa petite sa.
Okay, it's your birthday. I will.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Now the last one.
Yeah.
Back here so it doesn't break. I need to keep this bag.
Keep them.
This one.
So you two hold. ऐसे ही निकाल दो if you want
मैं
it.
थोड़ा मिस करूँ. सबसे बड़ी सिंगारी.
But this is the last one. Last one.
आपका कारण coordinated.
What?
कारण coordinated.
आस्था मुझे बताया कि यहाँ पे शूट हो रहा है. I coordinated with him only. आस्था ने बताया यार coordinated. यहाँ पे कोई लिपि भी तो नहीं है.
Oh.
Some
हाँ इसके लिए बनाया.
some corners, bookmarks, as you like. Oh, these are beautiful.
Ah, it's so
Wow.
cute.
Origami. This is so beautiful, yeah. These are
Yeah.
bookmarks.
Oh,
Nice.
they're really cute.
How nicely they're done.
So creative, yeah. Everyone is.
Who sent this? Is the
नहीं.
name Shubhangi again?
Gayatri.
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 Gayatri?
Very
Quite creative, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use all of them, by the way. And this one is my favorite.
Yeah, it's damn cute.
Okay. On this note, any message to the fans? You have sent gifts, जो आपको भेजते हैं.
Yeah, thank you so much for all the love. I don't know how to thank you guys, and it's overwhelming. It's nice. It's beautiful.
Okay.
I love it.
Reem?
I love
Thank
the
you.
fact that you guys know so much about us. Like, you know his favorite color, that he likes checks, and that I love Nutella. Yeah, I love Nutella. And yeah, thank you so much for all the love. It feels great. It just, makes me feel more alive to see the kind of love that you guys shower on us always. So yeah, thank you so much, and please keep watching Tujhse Rabta because we'll never let you down.
Yeah. So, this is the Instagram, Kalma_Rabta_Re_.
Okay. I'll surely check this account
Right.
again. I'm
Thank you,
sure I
Gayatri.
must have. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.